A lot of money, and you just have to be patient. 7:43 at Fox 40 Live.
All right, so doing some of this, perhaps brushing your teeth this morning or getting ready to, well, do you have the right choice? That's what we're asking the dentist this morning. We've got Sherry and Michael Fire. Thank you for coming in. And, well, let's get started. You said you wanted to start with the kids' toothbrushes. What do you think?
Well, basically, important trivia, there's about 3,000 patents on toothbrush function and style out there, so it's obvious there's a confusion about what kind to purchase. The most important thing to remember is that you use a soft bristle toothbrush. Other than that, it's the operator that's the most important part.
And replace it every 3 months, is that still the standard?
The ADA asks that you replace it about every 3 months.
And
okay.
You know you're being aggressive. If before 3 months those bristles are kind of flaring out, then you're being a little bit more aggressive than you should be. But what we wanted to show today was why it's so confusing is because everybody has got their own marketing ploy to try to say, pick me, pick me.
Exactly.
So this one's kind of fun because it, you know, right away I saw it and went, oh, if I had kids, I'd love that. They do.
The blue and the light blue.
It's got suction cups.
Yeah, so they just pop them right on
They
top.
won.
I know how
They
it goes.
won. See, that was their marketing thing. This one, we wanted to let people know that just because you're an adult doesn't always mean that you want an adult brush. If you have a smaller mouth, by all means, buy a smaller brush. It's okay to buy the small child's brush.
Would you mind demonstrating? Let's say this is considered like a small mouth. What is the person looking for? How far back do they need to reach, and exactly where do they need to get into?
Good question. The reason why you're brushing is to get plaque off, and plaque is formed 360 degrees around the tooth. So brushing is one part of it, flossing is the other way to get around the tooth. But most people, I was watching you, and they hold the brush sort of horizontally to the tooth and do this in circular motion.
That's exactly how I do it.
You're not alone. And most people, that's what they're doing. You're supposed to actually hold the bristles 45 degrees, which is more vertical. And you're supposed to hold it down there and wiggle around in little circles, and then brush the debris up away from the tooth. So not this way. This is a better model.
Okay.
Most people are kind of showing you horizontal. They're doing it horizontally. You want to hold more vertically. You're supposed to try to work those bristles underneath the gum line. Loosen up the plaque and then brush away. And the same thing on the inside, and then you also, of course, have to brush the chewing surface.
Okay, so we've got a gazillion toothbrushes here. Let's get straight to the one that you guys actually recommend.
So right now, our favorite toothbrush, we were thinking about Paul and eco-friendly. There's a toothbrush from Trader Joe's. This is awesome toothbrush. It's got great bristles on it.
You're actually using it right here.
Yeah,
Yes,
we're using it right here. It's made from recycled yogurt cups. Trader Joe's, and it comes in its own carrying case with some venting holes so you can travel with it. When you're done with the toothbrush, you can take it back to Trader Joe's. They'll give you a self-addressed stamp. You can send it back to the company, and they will recycle it and put it back into the environment, and we will...
How
They make
great is
plastic
that?
lumber.
What about this little curve? What do you think about the curve?
The curves are very important. They actually took 2 years to design that curve right there with a bunch of dentists in a laboratory.
Very honest. Yeah, it's especially designed. It helps with your technique of aiming the brush more at the gum line. Yeah.
Okay, so I better get practicing. All right, thanks you guys for coming in. I
Thank you
definitely
very
learned
much.
Thanks
something
for having us again.
Paul.
Yeah, and by the way, Sherry and Michael, can we ask, does Natalie floss? Does she do a nice job?
Natalie flosses. She's doing exactly what we're telling her to.
There's got to be a reason for no cavities yet.
Okay,
so
all right.
I
No,
gotta
they look nice, but you guys would know, so we thought we'd ask.
Get in there just like that.
Thank you, guys. You can find Craftsman Dental Care in Sacramento, 1801 Professional Drive. Give them a call, 974-1160. It's 7:47 at Fox 40 Live. It's been fun watching Bethany out at Lake Natoma this morning.